Creating and selling online courses with LMS in WordPress. A step-by-step guide. How to create courses on WordPress and sell online. To create and sell online courses on WordPress, you will need a few things. 1. A website built on the WordPress platform. This is the foundation for creating and selling online courses. You will need to have a domain name and hosting, and install WordPress on your website. 2. A learning management system, LMS, plugin. This is the tool that allows you to create and manage online courses on your WordPress site. Some popular LMS plugins include LearnDash, LifterLMS, and Sensei. 3. A payment gateway. This is the tool that allows you to accept payments for your courses. Some popular payment gateways for WordPress include Stripe and PayPal. 4. A course creation tool. You can use a course creation tool like Graphy to easily create and organize course content, manage student progress, and handle student registration and enrollment. Highlight the pain points of the current solution or how customers deal with not having a solution to the problem. Once you have these things in place, you can begin creating your courses and adding them to your website. You can create a course landing page with a call to action button that directs to the payment gateway, where your students can purchase the course and start learning. Here is a step-by-step guide. 1. Install and activate an LMS plugin on your WordPress site. 2. Set up a payment gateway on your site, so you can accept payments. 3. Create your course content, including videos, text, quizzes, and assessments. 4. Set up your course pages, including a course landing page, a registration page, and a checkout page. 5. Integrate your course pages with your payment gateway, so students can purchase your courses. 6. Promote your courses through social media, email marketing, or other channels to drive traffic to your website. 7. Monitor and track student progress, answer their queries and provide support as needed. LMS stands for Learning Management System in WordPress. It is a plugin that allows you to create and manage online courses, lessons, and quizzes on your WordPress website. With an LMS plugin, you can easily create and organize course content, track student progress, and manage student registration and enrollment. Some popular LMS plugins for WordPress include LearnDash, LifterLMS, and Sensei. Some of the most popular learning management systems, LMS, include 1. Blackboard. One of the most widely used LMS platforms, Blackboard is known for its ease of use and robust features. It is used by many universities, colleges, and school districts. 2. Canvas. This cloud-based LMS is designed to be simple and intuitive, making it easy to use for both teachers and students. It is increasingly popular among K-12 schools and colleges. 3. Moodle. An open-source LMS, Moodle is free to use and has a large user community that contributes to its development. It is commonly used by schools and universities. 4. Schoology. A web-based LMS that is designed for K-12 education, Schoology offers a range of features for teachers, students, and parents. 5. D2L Brightspace. This LMS is known for its personalized learning capabilities, gamification, and analytics. It is being used by many universities and colleges. These are some of the most popular LMS, but there are many other LMS which are popular in certain regions or industries. What is Graphy? Graphy is a WordPress plugin that allows you to create and manage online courses and learning content on your website. It is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean and modern interface that makes it easy to create and organize course content, manage student progress, and handle student registration and enrollment. Graphy also includes features such as quizzes, assessments, and progress tracking to help you create interactive and engaging courses. Additionally, it provides tools for creating and managing subscriptions and memberships, as well as integrations with popular payment gateways. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of using Graphy. Advantages. 1. User-friendly. Graphy has a clean and modern interface that is easy to use for both teachers and students. 2. Customizable. Graphy offers a range of customization options, allowing you to create a unique and professional-looking online course website. 3. Course creation tools. Graphy includes tools for creating and managing course content, quizzes, assessments, and progress tracking, making it easy to create interactive and engaging courses. 4. Subscription and membership management. Graphy provides tools for creating and managing subscriptions and memberships, making it easy to monetize your online courses. 5. Payment gateway integration. Graphy integrates with popular payment gateways, such as Stripe and PayPal, making it easy to accept payments for your courses. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of using Graphy. Disadvantages. 1. Limited features. Graphy has limited features as compared to other popular LMS plugins, like LearnDash and LifterLMS. 2. Limited support. Graphy may have limited support options, and you may need to rely on the documentation or community for troubleshooting. 3. Limited add-ons. Graphy has limited add-ons and features compared to other LMS plugins, which may limit the functionality of your online course website. 4. Cost. Graphy may not be free and you may have to pay for the plugin and its add-ons, which can add up over time. It's important to keep in mind that Graphy is a plugin and it depends on the theme and other plugins that you are using on your website. It's best to do a thorough research and evaluate the features and limitations of the plugin to see if it fits your needs before making a final decision. 1. There are many WordPress themes that are specifically designed for creating and selling online courses. Some of the best options include 1. LearnPress. This is a free and fully customizable theme designed specifically for creating and selling online courses. It is fully compatible with the LearnPress LMS plugin, and it offers a clean and modern design with a range of customization options. 2. Astra. Astra is a lightweight and highly customizable WordPress theme that is perfect for creating an online learning platform. It has built-in support for the LearnDash and LifterLMS plugins, and it also offers a range of design options to help you create a professional-looking website. 3. Divi. Divi is a popular and powerful WordPress theme that is well-suited for creating online courses. It offers a range of customization options and a drag-and-drop page builder, making it easy to create and design your course pages. 4. Thrive Theme. Thrive Theme is another popular WordPress theme for online courses. It includes a variety of customization options, a drag-and-drop page builder, and it is also fully compatible with popular LMS plugins like LearnDash and LifterLMS. Education Zone. Education Zone is a clean and modern WordPress theme that is perfect for creating and selling online courses. It is fully compatible with the LearnPress LMS plugin, and it offers a range of customization options to help you create a professional-looking website. These are some of the best WordPress themes for creating and selling online courses, but you can also find other options. Many themes are also compatible with multiple LMS and provide good support and documentation. It's important to look for a theme that is responsive, mobile-friendly, and fully customizable, as well as one that is compatible with the LMS plugin you plan to use. 1. The most popular plugins for creating and selling online courses on WordPress are 1. LearnDash. This is one of the most popular and widely used LMS plugins for WordPress. It offers a range of features for creating and selling online courses, including course creation, student management, and integration with payment gateways. 2. LifterLMS. This is another popular LMS plugin that allows you to create and sell online courses on your WordPress site. It offers a range of features for course creation, student management, and membership management. 3. Sensei. Developed by the team behind WordPress, Sensei is a simple and easy-to-use LMS plugin that allows you to create and sell online courses on your WordPress site. 4. MemberPress. This is a membership plugin for WordPress that allows you to create and sell online courses, as well as membership plans and subscriptions. It includes features such as membership levels, content dripping, and integration with payment gateways. 5. LearnPress. LearnPress is a free LMS plugin that allows you to create, manage and sell online courses on your WordPress site. It offers a range of features for course creation, student management, and integration with payment gateways. Thanks for watching.